Hi there, in this video, I'll show you how to record high-quality audio using OBS and then edit it further in Edimakor, a powerful audio-video editing software. First, let's set up OBS for audio-only recording. Launch OBS and create a new scene. In the Sources panel, click the plus button and select Audio Input Capture. Choose your audio device, such as a microphone or a digital audio interface like Edimakor, and click OK. Now, you'll want to adjust the audio settings to ensure the best possible quality. Tweak the volume levels, apply any necessary filters, and make sure the audio source is not muted. Next, let's move to Edimakor. Open the software and create a new project or open an existing one. To import the audio file recorded in OBS, go to the File menu and select Import. With the audio file in Edimakor, you can now start editing and processing it. Use Edimakor's powerful audio editing tools to trim the audio clips, adjust volume levels, apply effects or filters, and even synchronize the audio with any video footage. Once you're satisfied with the audio editing, it's time to export the final product. Go to the File menu and select Export. Choose the appropriate audio format, such as MP3, WAV, or FLAC, based on your needs. Specify the export settings, like sample rate and bit depth, and click Export to save the audio-only file. And that's it. You've now learned how to record high-quality audio using OBS, and then further refine it in Edimakor, your audio-video editing software of choice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.